right, so our van life experiment continues. Our Vanagon engine, the rebuilt one, is still leaking some oil. The rebuilder's working with us, and they say worst case they're going to swap it out with another engine, which I really hope doesn't happen. So this coming week, Arturo is going to try a couple of other things to isolate it, and hopefully we have some good news. I know some have commented whether we should sell this thing or keep going, but we really do love the functionality of it and the classic side of it. I'm definitely attached to. Lily loves this thing, and Stephanie does too. So we're going to hang in there a bit longer. I'm confident we'll get this resolved.
So I'm taking a break from working, which I do here, and we're going to make some lunch. Yeah. So for lunch, I'm just going to do an avocado with tuna and some olive oil, salt, pepper. Beautiful, perfectly right avocado from Mexico. It's one of my favorite things to eat. So now, the reason why I'm using a paper plate, two main reasons. Water is very precious here, and if I start having to do dishes and all, it uses obviously more water. Secondly, since I'm using tuna, we really don't want tuna down our drain. We want to keep this drain really clean as we can. So we do disposable plates with food, unless we're like if we ever go to a campsite and we're there for a whole week and we have access to a sink and all that, that's different. But like for just a one-time thing like that, it just makes more sense. Uses less water, keeps everything clean. So I can't be selfish and do this in front of my dog and not share. So I'll give her a little tuna because she loves. Right, Lily? No more. None of this. That's it. And I'll give you some of your lunch snack. I give her a patch of wet food in the morning, one in the evening, and then lunchtime I just give her little snackies. So now a little bit of olive oil. Healthy fats between the avocado and that, and then some salt and pepper, and that should be num num. We'll just, smash it kind of in chunks together, and that's it. I'm making the coffee with the new coffee filter in the van, so I'm heating up some water. We did a video on these little portable coffee filters. Are so great. They work perfect. You just put the coffee in there, pour the hot water over, and there you go. Perfect. The gas like this in a camping environment reminds me my childhood that we would go camping every summer, all August, the whole month, because we're French and my dad would have the whole month of August off and we would camp for a whole month. And my gosh, best memories. And my mom would make coffee in the morning in the tent, and this just kind of brings me back to that moment when my mom would make her Nescafe at the time. That's what she would do, obviously, because didn't have a coffee maker in the tent. So yeah, this is neat. Works great.
Sometimes you just got to get out there and launch and give it a try. And that's what we've done. We're still enjoying it. We're looking at different places all the time and having much different experiences together than we usually did in the past. So definitely think about what your experience could be, something different and unique. Get out there and try it. You never know. Hope you find these interesting. We will be getting this engine fixed one day soon, I hope. Otherwise, I'm going electric and just getting rid of the oil altogether. If there weren't a 4-year waiting list, I would have done it. But anyway, hope you like these. Remember to subscribe. It all helps. Appreciate it, and take care.